Citizenship Coach, Episode 4 of our 30-day mastery series, Modern Canada, Diversity, Society, and Values. In this practice series, you explore what defines Canada today, its communities, multicultural identity, and modern values. Let's begin. Question 1. What principle is at the heart of Canada's modern identity? A competition? B. Multiculturalism? C. Isolation? D. One official culture answer? B. Multiculturalism is a defining Canadian value that recognizes and celebrates identity. Question 2. Which policy promotes understanding and respect among Canada's many cultural communities? A. The Constitution Act, 1867. B. The Multiculturalism Act. C. The War Measures Act. D. The Citizenship Act, correct? B. The Multiculturalism Act supports culture, expression, and inclusion. Question 3. True or false? In Canada, equality under the law applies to everyone, regardless of race, gender, or background. True, equality rights guarantee fair treatment for all Canadians. Question 4. Which value is closely associated with Canada's social programs? A. Independence. B. Comparison. C. Restriction. D. Profit. Correct. B. Compassion is reflected in programs like healthcare, employment insurance, and social support. Question 5. What does the term civic participation mean in modern Canada? A. Avoiding political issues. B. Only voting during elections. C. Being informed, voting, and contributing to community life. D. Supporting only local groups. Correct. C. Active citizenship includes voting, volunteering, and staying informed. Question 6. Which of the following reflects Canada's belief in equal opportunity? A. Preferential treatment. B. Social hierarchy. C. Merit and fairness. D. Cultural uniformity. Correct. C. Merit and fairness help provide equal opportunity to all Canadians. Question 7. True or false? Canada protects freedom of religion as a fundamental value. True. Freedom of religion is central to Canada's diversity and social harmony. Question 8. Which group contributes significantly to Canada's social, cultural, and economic growth? A. Only citizens born in Canada. B. Immigrants. C. Only Indigenous peoples. D. Only permanent residents. Correct. B. Immigrants enrich Canada and help build its economy and cultural identity. Question 9. What national value promotes peaceful coexistence among Canadians? A. Aggression. B. Tolerance. C. Exclusion. D. Competition. Correct answer. B. Tolerance. Question 10. Which symbol reflects Canada's commitment to bilingualism? A. The Maple Leaf. B. The Two Official Languages Act. C. The Red Ensign. D. The Blue Nose. Correct. B. The Two Official Languages Act. The Official Languages Act protects English and French as Canada's official languages. Well done, excellent work, future citizen.